to try. Okay, next one, let's try use the wire 0.8. Here use the 0.8, the 20 gauge. 20 gauge the wire, we can make some very easy ring. Okay, Katie Lee need a total. She want to see her total. Okay, let's going to use this wire make a rose ring. A very basic rose ring. I cut the wire in 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter is equal to 16 inch. So, let's go to make a ring in 0.8. This design, if I make to 0.8, I start at 8.5 at here. Yeah, here we make a 0.8. Fold at the middle of the wire, then repeat the wire 2 times here. Then let's go to twist. So here we are going to share with you a tutorial how to make a rose ring. I love to do handmade, but I sell all the materials for making the jewelry, and I share the free tutorial here. Even I'm not go live, you can check my TikTok page. I have more than 600 free tutorials. Okay, here. So it's this way to wrap the rose ring. Each time when you wrap your finger, let the wire come from the back, then to the top. So it's here. This way. It's from the, then here, one circle down, then let it go to the bottom. Wrap. Here. 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 Here is the way that's to wrap the rose. Here. Now it's go the third layer. The second layer down, then go the third layer. Here. Third layer. Okay. Then we can wrap. I hidden the wire on the back and hidden this wire here. It's this. Then you can take. Now 8.5. It will move out here. This one. Wrap it. Kitty, I'm going to show you your total after make this ring. So the tips that how to wrap the ring band is you are going to the middle of the wire to go through the loop. Yeah, you will see I go through the loop by this side, not this side. So here, then we cut. After cut, then tight here this way. Then this side the seam, we not wrap the wire by this way. Yeah, this way not make this part tight. If you want it tight and easy, your finger tight the flower and the wire go like this. You try my technique, my tips, you will find is more easy to wrap the ring and not make the ring bend out of shape. This is it's like experience share with you. This will be more easy and good for new starter. Okay, so you can see my ring circle is still very round because I tied here and wrap this way. So it's different when you are go through the tips, the top, and you bend it, you pull the wire, make this wire band circle out of shape. Yeah, so here now we are make the size before we want to make a size 8. Now it's a size 8 way down here.